Manitas. Check this fucking video out.
Okay guys, next video. Back shattered iPhone 4. Now, it's been read. I've ordered a new part. That's the old part. Well, it's not because the other one breaks. So I got this one. You arrived Saturday and it's bloody snapped. So I got a lot of replacement today, and I just got it now. It's just a replacement for an iPhone 4. Right, what we got here? Simple job. The hardest job is in there when you have to take all them screws out. This one just sits on top. Sits and slides. That's all he needs to do. Sits